In today's video, I'm going to check on US Consulate update of 3 countries, and also I will talk about cases, documents, and emails NVC National Visa Center is working on this week. If it's something you want to know, just stay tuned and I'll be right back.
USA Monde.
Good morning, my beautiful people. This is John from USA Monde, and welcome back and thanks for watching. If it's your first time on my channel, as always, welcome. Here, my goal is to help newcomers, permanent residents, and also US citizens regarding the immigration questions. Sometimes I give advice to newcomers to the United States of America so they can stay out of trouble. But today's video, like I said in the introduction, it's about NVC National Visa Center update. And some of you guys who've been watching my video, you know that every week I update you guys on regarding cases, document, and email NVC National Visa Center is working on. Okay, some of you guys who are petitioner, you petition for a relative and your cases are approved on USCIS, and your relative is immediate relative. Chances are your case is already at NVC level. If the I-130 petition was approved, I would say 4 weeks to 6 weeks ago. Okay, some of you guys who are not immediate relatives, you have to wait just a little bit, but for that you have to keep checking the visa bulletin board and see if the priority date is current. Then if it's current, then USCIS will let you know when your case is approved. After that, your case will move to NVC National Visa Center. So once your case moves to NVC National Visa Center, NVC will contact you. Okay, and in general, they will contact you, I would say, within 45 days, and sometimes it can go up to 60 days if you are immediate relative. So once NVC contact you, they will send you your case number, invoice ID, which you're going to use to log into the system. Okay, so once you log into the system, that's when you're going to pay the fees, which is affidavit of support fees, and also immigrant visa application fee. Okay, so yesterday, which was February 22nd, NVC announced on the website that they are working on cases they received from USCIS on February 12th, which is like 10 days ago. Okay, so they start working on those cases, and like I say, you will pay fees and submit on documents. So once you submit all the required documents, one thing you have to know is regarding documents, that you, the petitioner, you have to submit some of your documents, and also the intended immigrant, the person you are petitioning for, the person who will come to United States of America on immigrant visa, will submit his or her document as well, called civil document. Okay, so once you guys submit all those documents, then NVC National Visa Center will review them and then let you know if the case is documentary qualified, meaning that it's ready to go to the US Consulate, where the intended immigrant will go for interview. Okay, so yesterday also NVC National Visa Center announced on their website that they are reviewing documents they received from you guys on November 16, 2020. But like I always tell you guys, that part is not always accurate. Okay, so they might reviewing document they receive or maybe in December, but because I know people in that case, so don't really pay attention to that much. All you gotta do is to make sure you didn't receive any email coming from NVC that your case is documented to qualify. Okay, so some of you guys who are affected by the immigration suspension, which will end on March 31st 2021, hopefully, well, you guys have to wait a little bit, because right now NVC is reviewing document of people who are not affected by the immigration suspension, and then they will review your document as well. So once your case is documented qualified, then NVC will be able to send your case to the US Consulate only if there is a visa appointment availability. Okay, so if there is a spot available, then the US Consulate will notify NVC that, okay, now we have maybe 10-20 spot available, send 10-20 cases so we can schedule an interview for those people. Okay, then in that case NVC will contact you we send you your interview appointment letter, on which will have the date, the place, and the U.S. embassy you will go for interview. Unfortunately, not all U.S. consulate don't resume visa services yet. So if you in that case, if your U.S. consulate didn't resume visa services yet, you have to wait a little bit, okay, until they resume visa services before NVC can schedule an appointment for you. Especially for some of you guys who are not immediate relative, or like I said, you have to keep checking the visa bulletin board. Or then once your priority date is current, then you will receive a notification from NVC National Visa Center. The third update is regarding emails. Some of you guys who send emails to NVC regarding different questions. Well, NVC announced on the website yesterday, on February 22nd, that they are responding to email they received from you guys on February 11, okay, which is like 11 days ago. So make sure you check your email box so you don't miss any email coming from NVC National Visa Center. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I'm gonna check a US consulate update of 3 different countries. If you are ready, let's go in front of my computer. Okay, guys, on the first country I'm gonna check a US consulate update for is, as you can see, US Embassy and Consulate in the United Arab Emirates. Okay, so if you scroll down a little bit, you see that they resume immigrant visa services in this category. Okay, all these categories right here, you can see the IR, HI3, no there, no IR1, CR1, IR2, CR2, K visas, E3, I5, EB5, SB1, I-131A. So they resume those visa services, or those immigrant visa services, as well as some non-immigrant visa services, as you can see here, B1, B2, and also FM and or J category. Okay, so if you are somebody in those categories, well, and you didn't resume any visa appointment letter yet, you have to wait a little bit, or you can contact NVC to check and see everything is okay on their side, or you can also call the US consulate for more information. Okay, so that's a good news right there. That's what is going on at the US embassy, Abu Dhabi. Okay, so let's move to the second country. The second country is going to be Haiti. Okay, so for Haiti, on their website, as you can see here, they resume partial non-immigrant visa services, like in F, on J, and M visa categories. Okay, and you see here F2, M2 visas. So this is the non-immigrant visa category. As far as immigrant visa category, as you can see here on the bottom, they say the immigrant visa unit is operating on a limited basis, processing only a limited number of immediate relative cases. So by immediate relative, you know, they talk about spouse and children under age of US citizen. They talk about parent of US citizen, but the thing is, for parent of US citizen, they're still affected by the immigration suspension. So you guys have to wait until the suspension is over in order for NVC to schedule an appointment for you. So if you are in this category they mentioned on the website, you didn't receive any of your appointment yet, you can wait a little bit or contact NVC to see if everything is okay with your case. And also, if you want more information, you can call the US consulate and ask them more question. Okay. Then let's move to the third country. I want to check the US consulate update for today. The country is gonna be Kenyan. Okay. So here in Kenyan, you see the US Embassy in Kenya. So to come to this page, you can type on ke.usembassy.gov/visas for to come to this page. For Haiti, you type on usembassy.gov/visas, and for United you see Arab Emirates, you're gonna type on ae
usembassy.gov/visas. Okay, so now let's go back to Kenya. So for Kenya, what I'm seeing on their website, that they just mentioned non-immigrant visa services resumption. So they resume unlimited visa services in this category: F1, F2, M1, M2, J1, J2. Okay, and they say next week on March 3rd on 2021, they will also resume a small number. They will also resume visa services in H1B, H4 category, as well as L1. Okay, but for non-immigrant visa, I mean for immigrant visa, sorry, they don't have any information on their website regarding that yet. So I'm assuming they didn't resume immigrant visa services yet. But if in case you are somebody who applied for immigrant visa and you went to the interview, let us know. That way we know if we know for sure if they resume either partial or full immigrant visa services. But for more information, you can also call the U.S. Consulate and ask them more questions. Okay. So basically, that is what's going on. Those are the three countries I want to check the U.S. Consulate update for. If you have any question, please let me know in the description below, and I will do my best to reply to those questions.
That's it for today's video. I hope you guys love it, learn something from it. If you know somebody who might benefit from this video, please don't share with that person. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you are new here, you like what you're seeing, you've been watching my video and never subscribe, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button or hit the USA logo over here. Once again, my name is John. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.
USA Monde.